Hello and welcome to Learn How to Stop Your Out of Control Utility Bills in One Simple Step. My name is David Lowe. I'm a managing partner with ControlTemp Thermostats. This video will show you, landlords, vacation homeowners, property managers, and small business owners, how to lower your utility bills and regain your peace of mind. To begin, I first want to provide a little background in regards to the extent of the problem. With energy costs rising and a slowing economy, it is more important than ever to control your costs. Utility costs can be one of the largest operating costs that landlords and small business owners face on a monthly basis. As you can see here, heating and cooling costs can make up almost 50% of your annual utility bills. If you pay all the utilities at your property, you are painfully aware that your tenants, guests, and/or employees don't care about saving money on your heating and cooling bills. Since they don't pay the bills, most will set the thermostat as high or low as they would like, whatever keeps them comfortable, costing you hundreds or thousands of dollars per year. In order to prevent this abuse, you may have already tried some of the common fixes on the market today and found out they just don't work. Thermostat covers and lock boxes are easily broken or tampered with, and do not touch signs are regularly ignored. ControlTemp Thermostats has the answer. We make a complete line of programmable, tamper-proof thermostats. Our thermostats allow you to control how high or low your tenants or employees can set the temperature. All of our thermostats also come with a 7-day programmable schedule that allows you to automatically adjust the temperature to ensure that the system only runs when the space is occupied. This allows you to never worry again about outrageous utility bills. Our thermostats can be used in a variety of settings. They are currently in use today in residential and Section 8 apartments, vacation homes, commercial offices, churches, and hotels. Our thermostats will work with nearly all heating and cooling systems, including boilers, furnaces, single and multi-stage heat pumps, etc. To demonstrate the value of our programmable tamper-proof thermostats, we have used a tool created by the Department of Energy and EPA to calculate the potential energy savings by using one of our thermostats. In the example below, we compare the winter heating cost for a home in Boston with a regular non-programmable thermostat. With a regular non-programmable thermostat, the tenant has no limit on how high they can raise the temperature. In this scenario, we assume that the tenant keeps the heat at a constant 78 degrees. With that, it would cost the landlord $1,216 annually in heat cost alone. If the landlord were to install a non-programmable tamper-proof thermostat that limited the heat to a maximum of 71 degrees, the annual heating cost would fall to $1,010 per year. However, by using a programmable tamper-proof thermostat, such as ours, that allows you to set the temperature to 70 degrees while the tenant is at home and lower it to 64 degrees during the weekdays while they're at work and at night, you would be able to lower your bill to $869 per year, a reduction of $347 or a total savings of 28% off your heating and cooling bills. Now, let's take a look at an example of potential energy savings in a warm climate. In this example, we use the same Department of Energy and EPA tool to calculate the potential energy savings for a home in Orlando. Assuming the tenant keeps their home at a constant 74 degrees, the annual cooling cost would be $835. If you used a non-programmable tamper-proof thermostat to limit the temperature to a constant 76 degrees, the annual cooling cost would be $755. Finally, if you were to use a programmable tamper-proof thermostat that held the temperature at 78 degrees while the tenants were home and raising it to 82 degrees at night and during the weekdays while they're at work, the annual cooling cost would drop $263 to $572 annually, or a savings of 32%. Here at ControlTemp Thermostats, we make two models of programmable tamper-proof thermostats. Our first model is the standard CT100. This model is very simple and easy to install as well as use. It has a hard-coded preset max heat temperature of 72 degrees and a minimum cool temperature of 75 degrees. The 7-day programmable schedule allows you to set a different schedule for each day of the week. And finally, it works with almost all heating and cooling systems, including boilers, furnaces, single and multi-stage heat pumps. Our other thermostat is our deluxe CT1001 model. This thermostat allows you to determine the maximum heat and minimum cool temperatures. This is completely customizable. It also has a 7-day programmable schedule, and we will program your settings and your schedule for you for free before we ship your unit from the factory. As with our CT100, this model works with most systems, including boilers, furnaces, single and multi-stage heat pumps. We also provide a custom tamper warning label with this system that alerts tenants and employees that the system cannot be set or lowered above certain temperatures. Finally, with our CT1001 system, we are so confident that it will save you money. We offer a 1-year money-back guarantee that this unit will save you the cost of the unit or 10% on your heating and cooling bills within the first year or your money back. Thank you for watching our video today. Feel free to call us at 866-792-2022 or visit our website at www.controltempthermostats.com to receive your free energy-saving consultation. Thank you.